Hello everybody, welcome back to another cooking video on Philocaly. Diwali is the festive time when we indulge in sweets and desserts, and when they are homemade it brings in a lot of joy. Let's see how to make Mysore Pak in an easy way in today's video. We would require 100 grams of gram flour, 200 grams of sugar, 125 ml of ghee, and about 50 ml or quarter cup of water. Now let's see how to make it. In a wide pan, adding in the ghee. Once melted, adding in the gram flour. And giving it a good mix until the ghee and the flour combine well. The same measurements give a superb texture, so try to be precise with the measurements. The roasting of the gram flour should be done in low flame only. The flour goes from cooked to burnt very quickly, so constant stirring and low flame is mandatory. I have kept the video on a fast forward mode to show the change in color from pale yellow to golden yellow. That's when the gram flour is cooked. Once the flour is cooked without any raw smell, switch off the heat source and keep aside. This took me approximately 10 minutes. Now for the sugar syrup, in a 3-liter pressure cooker, add in the granulated sugar, followed by water and about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or ghee. Give it a good mix. Close the pressure cooker and cook on high heat for 4 whistles, which should not exceed 3 to 4 minutes. Switch off the heat source and release the pressure manually with the help of a spatula. This is how the sugar syrup looks upon opening. Now to the sugar syrup, add in the roasted flour and mix well until well combined. The mixture will thicken gradually. Now grease a loaf pan or any tray with ghee and add in the mixture and make it flat on the top like this. Let it cool for 20 minutes. Now, when it is warm, cut into desired shapes. I would prefer to go with the traditional rectangular style. After cutting, let it cool for 30 minutes. Easy Mysore Pak is ready to be served. Do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you. That's it for today's video, guys. I wish you all a happy and safe Diwali. Until next time, bye bye.